Hello, hello. My name is Chris and welcome back to Legacy Woodworking Machinery. One of the hallmarks of high-end woodworking is inlay. It can add a touch of elegance that sets your work apart. Now, inlay is beautiful and adds value to your work. However, it can be very difficult and time-consuming when using traditional techniques. Legacy CNC will simplify this process and make it more efficient and profitable. Let's get started and show you how it's done. All the cutters used in this video were provided by Magnate. You can visit their website at magnate.net. As you can see, by following the technique Legacy teaches, the inlay fits perfectly. Altogether, the cutting time took less than 20 minutes to produce the pocket, the raised inlay, and to surface the top after the glue up. Again, we can see the Legacy CNC made this inlay process efficient and profitable. Check out these other inlays that were made by Legacy CNC owners. Thank you Bob St. Germain, Blake Nilsson, Tracy Anderson, and Robert Zastro for sharing your work. You can learn more about Legacy CNC systems in the following ways. Learn about Legacy CNC product line to see which system is right for you by visiting our website at lwmcnc.com. If you have additional questions and would like to request a quote, call Legacy at 801-491-0010. In addition to producing the best problem-solving CNC in the industry, Legacy also teaches online CNC workshops where you learn how to program and use a Legacy CNC to its maximum potential. You can join our CNC community by calling or by signing up on our website. To watch more problem-solving videos from Legacy that focus on turning, sheet processing, joinery, molding, 3D carving, wrapped carving, inlay, and more, click right over there. Press the like, subscribe, and bell icon to receive notifications when new videos are released. And as always, thanks for watching. And we'll see you in the next video.